So I've been getting this question a fair amount on my YouTube channel, and I wanted to provide an answer to you. So if you've wondered the answer to this question, stick around because I'm going to let you know. Hello, everyone. I'm attorney Lee Marvin, and I have been practicing law for over 20 years, and I've been specializing in immigration law for over a decade. My main office is in Grand Rapids, Michigan, but I help individuals and families from any state in the country and really any country in the planet. So the answer to the question, okay, how do we know when the government is making so many changes, how do we know when it's going to affect us? Specifically for this question, military parole in place. The question I've gotten a lot with this administration, is there going to be a change to the military parole in place? And we've got a case pending. Do we have to worry about it being canceled, or what's going to happen to the case? So that is like a lot of questions these days. Nobody really knows until it happens. Although I will say that I haven't gotten any indication, I haven't seen any traffic whatsoever, no announcements, nothing from the Trump administration that indicates that military parole in place is going to be canceled or in any way changed. I would be very surprised if it does change. Why? Because Trump is very pro-military. So I highly doubt Trump would come along and he would make a change to a policy or a program that's designed to support the military. So I don't think you need to worry about it. I do tell people that if you have someone who's a child or a spouse or even a parent that is currently serving in the military, and that's full-time, part-time, that's Army, Air Force, Marine Corps, Navy, Coast Guard, whether it's the National Guard or whether it's full-time. If you have one of those family members that are serving in the military, they have the ability to sponsor you for what's called the military parole in place. I know you've seen my videos on YouTube about it, but basically it helps individuals who are in the United States, mostly those who entered without authorization or have overstayed their visas, to be able to change their status inside the United States without having to leave the country. Parole in place. So the government says that you are good to stay in the United States. You don't have to leave the country. You don't have to be paroled out and back in. You can do it inside the United States, which means you can apply for your green card and have your interview in your home state. It's an amazing program. I've done it for many of my clients. It works like magic. Every time it works, I'm like, holy cow, that's incredible. It works exactly the way I say it works on my YouTube channel. So if you have questions, you can click the link to reach me directly. I would love to help you with this process. It is very powerful for military families.